Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I have some really good information for y'all. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about how hard it is to start a YouTube channel. My number one thing is just being scared of what people may think of you. Now, my first thing was, I'm an adult. I don't care what people think. Why do I care? You know, if they don't like it, they won't watch it. If they talk about me, I'm not even going to know it. But, I mean, those things you can say in your head, but when you get started, you start feeling like, okay, this is real. People are going to judge me. You know, I don't know if I want to do this. So you just kind of have to convince yourself that, hey, you can do this. This is something that you're interested in. Don't let anybody stop you. I had to convince myself that everything that I've done in life, I have not let anyone stop me from doing it because I wanted to do it. I knew I could accomplish it, so why would this be any different? So that's the first thing. Just being scared of being judged is something that stops people from starting a channel. So I got over that hurdle. So the next hurdle I have to get over is, am I too old to be on YouTube? Is YouTube just for children? Is YouTube just for people who are in their early 20s? I had to think about that. I was like, I don't know. I'm not in my early 20s. You know, is this ridiculous to do? And I had to say to myself, you know what? There are millions and millions of people on YouTube of all ages, from grade school to, you know, someone's grandma, you know, on YouTube. There's an audience for everybody. So why would I be scared in trying to start YouTube because of my age? That doesn't make any sense. YouTube is too broad to be worried about, am I old enough to do it? So I did get over that hurdle also. So the next hurdle that I had to get over is, what am I going to talk about? What do people want to hear? How can I help somebody? I don't know what to do. So I was thinking, what do I like to do the most? What's going to be interesting to me that can also help other people, and it's not going to make me get burned out on doing YouTube? So the first thing that I thought of is big chopping my hair. I was already going to big chop my hair, so you know, it would be interesting for other people to see it, and it's something scary that people want to watch before they just decide that that's something that they want to do. So I big chopped my hair. I watched several big chop videos already, so I had already thought, okay, it's interesting to watch people cut their own hair and their reaction. I can do that. I'm already going to cut my hair. Let me share it with the world. So that's how I started. I thought, hey, maybe that's something that I'm interested in doing, things about hair. I'm not a hairdresser. I don't know how to do a whole lot of styles, but I have cut my hair before, and I kind of know what's going on with it, so I decided to do that. So after that, you know, it's only so many things that you can do with hair. So I'm very interested in that, but you do have to wait for your hair to grow and stuff like that. So, you know, it's not something that you can do weekly. So I was thinking, what is my favorite thing? What makes me feel that my life is enjoyable? And I thought, traveling. Now, I don't have a lot of money to where I can just go and travel every week or things like that, but I do have tips on how I go travel. I'm not rich. I don't have money like that. I have real bills. I have to work. You know, it's just life. I have a life that I have to live, and I can't just live it extravagantly, you know, on vacation my whole life, because that's not realistic. Excuse me. But what I can do is tell you how I go, how I can afford it. And that's what I was like, that's perfect, because I have several tips on how I go on vacation. I do so much research. Every day I'm doing it. That's something I love to do. I want to see, how can I get the best deal? And when I get it, I'm excited about it, and I want to share it with my family, and I do share it with my family. But I thought maybe I could share it with my new family. Y'all, I know y'all would appreciate this. So I was thinking, perfect. I want to give tips on traveling. I want to give tips on saving money. I want to give tips on how I can go when I want to go. So I was thinking that would be a perfect series to start on the channel. I could also, add my little hair journey in there also. And, as time goes on, the things that I learned, I can give to y'all. But I just want to come and let y'all know that it is so hard to start a YouTube channel because of just those certain things of what am I going to talk about? What are people going to think of me? What do I do? Am I too old? Things like that. And it's realistic. But all I want to say is do not be scared to do anything you want in life. Just do it. And if someone says something about it, do more of it. Because eventually you're going to get successful at it. And who knows? You might be encouraging other people to do it too. They might say, oh, it's ridiculous. Why are you doing that? You got a lot of time on your hands to do that. No, you make time for the things that you want to do. And if it's interesting to you and if it's something that you enjoy, then what would stop you? All right, y'all. Again, thank y'all so much for listening to me go on about how hard it is to start a YouTube channel. Thank y'all so much for listening. Again, don't forget to like, please comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am growing, so any likes, comments, and any new subscribers will be very, 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 very helpful to my channel. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.